Guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Feezy, and today I'm going to show you how to make Banh Mi New Nuong. Hey guys, so I have some cucumber, some fresh Vietnamese baguette, some almonds. I'm using almonds because I don't have peanuts. If you have peanuts, use peanuts. I'm going to roast these peanuts, okay? They're raw. Some fish sauce that I made, some home pickled carrots and daikon, and some nem nuong that I bought from the Vietnamese deli. Okay, you can buy this at a Vietnamese deli, any Vietnamese deli if they have it there. Okay, oven at 350. I'm just gonna roast these up until they're nice and warm inside because they're already cooked. Okay, you can buy the raw one at the store, but I bought the cooked one. Okay, just heat it up, let it warm up, take it out. Okay, I'm gonna roast some almonds. Sprinkle a little salt in there. That's good enough. Almonds good. Let's just toast it up. Just toast it up for a few minutes. We'll check back on it. Okay. That took literally about 7 minutes, okay? They're nice and like warm now. Now we're gonna toast the bread, okay? Just pop it in there. I turned off the oven already. I just turned off the oven. The residual heat should be enough just to toast the bread, okay? You don't want it too hard, right? My toasted almonds, they're just about there, guys. I'm gonna take it off the heat soon, okay? Cucumber, you want to slice them like this, all right? After the almonds are finished toasting, put it in the mortar and pestle and crush it up, okay? You just want small chunks, okay? The bread I took out, look, can you hear that? Nice. On the inside is nice and soft too, okay? They're perfect. Alright, I'm gonna get ready to assemble this banh mi, okay? Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to assemble the banh mi, okay? I got nicely toasted baguette here. Alright? Squirt of sriracha at the base. Some sriracha at the base, okay? And then buy cucumbers in there, 2 slices. And then over here I had 2 pieces of nem nuong that I cut into 2 halves. Okay, slap that in there. On the top. Now you grab some of your toasted peanuts if you have peanuts. Or it could be toasted almonds, doesn't really matter. Okay, just sprinkle it in there, okay? See that so far? Yeah, see that so far? Get some of your green onions in there. Green onion sauce. I have a video on how to make the green onion too. I didn't show you in this video because I make it quite often, but I will have a link to it in my videos, okay? Oh, I like that green onion. Damn, son. Some pickled daikon, carrots in there, just a little bit, man. I don't want too much of this in there because I don't really care for it, okay? Alright, just a little bit of that in there. Get some of your fish sauce, okay? Homemade fish sauce, guys. Just ladle the sauce into it. Your banh mi. Make sure you get a good heaping of it, okay? Nem nuong with fish sauce goes hand in hand. Okay. According to you, how spicy you like it, you add it accordingly, okay? There you go, guys. And I'm feeling that it's missing some color, some more color. So, guys, so here I got some mint leaves that I washed. Okay, just gonna layer it in there. Layer in the back there. Smells nice, man. Jesus. Just layer up the mint leaves up. And there you have it, guys. Look, my bánh mì nem nướng. Oh my gosh. Ooh, juicy. Shit's juicy.